United States and 35 other countries. We do over $5 million worth of business with Taiwan every year.
A lot of companies who made performance parts for scooters. The range is very wide. There's a lot of things to buy.
They're very familiar with Western quality standards. Today they produce world-class motorcycle products.
We believe that Chinese versus Taiwanese product will give greater value for money to the customer, especially in the export market.
If we have something that we need done correctly, we go to our Taiwanese partners and they're able to basically follow the drawings very closely and give us the product that we're searching for.
Taiwan's always is very good in quality and performance, so I do about 20 or 30% of my business in Puerto Rico is buying performance from Taiwan.
Service and management in Taiwan is more trustable.
I think I will come back again and continue my business with them.